Hey everyone, welcome back to another unboxing, and today we have the Eksa E900 Pro 2-in-1 gaming headset. Thank you so much to Soda for sending me this product, and I'll have a link to this in the description down below so you can go check it out and see if this is something you'd like to pick up. So the foil sticker up here reads register for free 24 months extended warranty on their website, eksa.net. And this headset will work with everything. So for PC, PS4, Xbox One, Nintendo Switch, smartphones, and tablets. And here are the parameters of the product, the headset, and the microphone. And this is what's included in the box. We have the Pro Gaming headset, the pluggable microphone, 3.5mm audio cable with the cable splitter, USB cable, operating instruction, and carrying pallet. So let's dive into this unboxing. Very excited. And here we go. So it comes in this really nice leather bag here, as you can see. Wow, that's pretty cool. Never seen that in a headset bundle before. And here is the bag with all the cables and everything you need for whichever hookup of any console or any device you're trying to hook this headset up to. So it's really convenient that they have provided all those different cables. And the easy addition user manual, I like that. So here's question 1. What if headset doesn't work after plugging the USB interface? Oh, that's nice. So they're answering questions. I guess the more frequent questions that they get for this product. And just a quick setup here. Very nice. So we'll take a look at that later. And on the bottom of the bag we have the website, the email address, and also phone number, Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. Oh, these things are very light. I like that a lot. The problem with the Logitechs is they are a little beefier, a little heavier, and these are just super light. It's crazy. And maybe not as stressful to wear. You know, it doesn't give you too much pressure against your head. Some of these headsets, there's just too much. They're too big, too bulky, and then sometimes they just apply too much pressure. So that's my first impression on it. It's just very light and kind of a thin quality here for the cushions. Probably a good thing to reduce, I don't know, heat and I don't know. But we have the right and left, easy, and left and right on each side. I like this little cable coming out there, pretty cool. And we have this type of metal here with these are not buttons. So on this side you'll find the audio wheel along with the mute button, and here we can hook up the headset. Right there, there's a charging port, and oh, I believe that's the microphone, and this one is for I think that's the audio cable, right? Audio cable. And each side we have a couple screws holding on to this here. And they don't go up that much. And one thing I see that could be an issue is this cable might snap. So you just got to be very careful. Obviously, just be careful with handling products and not go too crazy on them. But yeah, I'm very excited to get these hooked up and see what we got going on for quality. And here are the audio cables. And this one says, let's see here, offer normal but quality sound. 7.1 surround sound. And here we have the microphone. Let's take this off. Let's see what we got under this. There it is. Very good. Put that back on. And the cable itself is very flexible, like that. Very good. And this is a great option for if you're not wanting to use the microphone, and you can just take it off and use it as a regular headphones to listen to music or whatever. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And here is, ooh, this is a nice quality micro USB cable. Yeah, that's nice. That's quality there. Feels really good, doesn't feel cheap. And this is a Type C cable. Only works on PC and Mac. So this cable will only work, obviously, for computers. Immersive 7.1 surround sound driver. So we would have to download that to make sure that we're getting the full capabilities of this headset. And here is our splitter. So probably for like, probably for, you know, trying to hook up to the PS4 and trying to stream at the same time. I do see a lot of that, especially with the Logitech headset, where you need a splitter in order for you to record audio coming from chat and recording gameplay, because it does kind of cancel out some of the audio when using like an Elgato, and you can only record like your voice or the gameplay. So here is a much larger manual guide in all sorts of different languages. Very good. Hey everyone, this is a test through the microphone. Testing 1 2 3. 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Eksa has an application that allows you to take full control of your audio sound with friendly user interface, enhancing your listening experience in the game. There are two different downloads, the E900 Pro old version and the E900 Pro new version, so make sure to check your serial number to download the correct version. Sounds good to me. Can you hear me? Alright. Just making sure I got a new headset, so I just want to make sure it sounds good, somewhat decent.